question for Mayor Fuller.
Thank you.
So the teachers are claiming that there's roughly $55 million the city is sitting on that would be more than enough to close the gap that is causing the issue here. Why is that money not being utilized, or what is the disconnect if that money is available?
We've had some one-time funds and we're so grateful we have. We've put them to work already and prioritized the Newton Public Schools. There's not piles of cash just waiting there to be deployed. In December, the superintendent, the chair of the school committee, and I sat down, for example, and collected some of these one-time monies, turned it into ongoing funding for the Newton Public Schools, and it's already a part of the offer that's on the table.
So are you saying that the Teachers Association, they have their information correct? There's not this money that's accessible that could be used? Is there money available to bridge the gap here?
The one-time monies have already been allocated and put to use.
So as of now, obviously, we just came from the press conference. Is there going to be negotiations tonight, or are negotiations off the table as of now, and you're confirming that there will be no school tomorrow?
I'll let the chair of the school committee is a more appropriate person to answer that question.
So we've offered to, throughout the course of these last 2 weeks, meet pretty much any day, anytime. Our last mediation session was on January 8th, at which time we offered multiple dates to meet, and the only date the union gave us was tomorrow. So we do have a mediation scheduled for tomorrow, whatever that means when they're on strike.
Where and when is that?
That's at the education center here.
And what is the union asking for? We know that there is a 6% increase annually over the next 3 years. That's coming from you. They say that that's not enough. What are they asking for?
So the variables we're really working through are the cost of living adjustments, benefits, and parental leave, along with a host of what they would term working conditions. Really us seeking the flexibility we need in the contract to be able to serve the kids and do what's best for them.
What do you think it says that 98% of the Teachers Association voted to go on strike, so nearly unanimous? What do you think that says about the situation at hand?
I think it says it's a terrible situation. Obviously, the teachers are not content with the offer we've put on the table, but we have to think about sustaining this organization, being able to provide what we need for our kids and still putting forth a competitive offer. We believe they put forth a competitive offer. I know they would like a more competitive offer.
What's it gonna take